Are you dealing with a disruptive user on your Whop community? Learn how to mute them in just 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click in your Whop dashboard. Follow these 6 simple steps.
First, log into your Whop account.
Then, go ahead and click on Team. Next, click on the member you want to mute. Click the 3 dots. Now, click on Mute from the menu. Click on Mute again to confirm the action. And that's it! The user has been muted successfully. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.